In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Trading 212 portfolio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your portfolio and how to read the key numbers with confidence, whether you're on the app or using the web platform. Start by opening Trading 212. On mobile, look at the navigation bar along the bottom. On desktop, use the side menu. From there, tap or click Portfolio, which is marked with a pie chart icon. This is the main dashboard for your investments, and it's where everything important comes together in one place. Right at the top, you'll see your total account value. This shows what your portfolio is worth across all your stocks, ETFs, and any pies you're using. Remember, your total account equals the value of your portfolio plus any free cash sitting in your account. That distinction helps you see both what's invested and what's available to deploy. You'll also see your profit or loss. This figure updates in real time, so it reflects how your positions are moving with the market. It's useful for a quick pulse check, but try to view it in context rather than reacting to every small tick. Next is your list of holdings. This breaks down each stock or ETF you own, showing the quantity you hold, the current market price, and the profit or loss for that specific position. If you want more detail, tap any individual stock to open its full page with deeper insights and performance history. If you invest using pies, you'll notice them listed here as well. Tap a pie to see your allocation by percentage and to review its performance. This helps you confirm your target weights and see which parts of your strategy are driving results. To understand your cash versus invested money, tap the pie icon on the portfolio screen. You'll see a simple split between cash, which is unused money ready to invest, and investments, which is the amount currently allocated to stocks and ETFs. For performance tracking over time, open the portfolio performance chart. You can switch between unrealized result, which is your current profit or loss, and MWRR, the money-weighted rate of return that reflects your true performance after accounting for deposits and withdrawals. Use the settings or gear icon to switch between these views, and try applying ranges like year-to-date, 1 year, or all-time to spot longer-term trends. Check your portfolio regularly to stay informed, but avoid overreacting to daily movements. With these views and tools, you'll have a clear, organized snapshot of your investments whenever you need it.